Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel, Mark. That's me, my words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. You know the script by now. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button down there. And when you're watching the video, if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up. Help me jump up the YouTube algorithm chart a little bit. So where are we, troops? Wednesday, 22nd of September, 2021. Pre-market has just opened. But a quick look back on yesterday for AMC. As suspected, troops, we did drop down into that lower box there, getting a low of the day of 37.65 with a high of 41.49, closing at 38.82, down $1.47 on the share, 3.65%. Not surprised, troops. I must admit, I did talk about this in yesterday's video, which I will put up there at the end. And, you know, we are following the pattern, the trend, whatever you want to call it, that I was anticipating. So why? What's happening? What's happening? Obviously, there's a lot of turmoil out there at the moment in the market. Evergrande in China is obviously weighing heavily on people. It's having a knock-on effect. I do think, in all honesty, that this is not just shorting. I think there's some institutional selling as well. Some, you know, institutions getting out of their positions. They need the capital, whatever. They're taking risk off the table, not just here, but across their portfolios. You know, those that do hold AMC and GME, taking it out across their portfolios, no doubt. So not surprised, troops, to be honest. Where do we go from here? Hard to see, really. Hard to see how we can break this in the immediate term, or in the immediate term. And if I'm being honest, the next level I'm looking at is around $35. So I'm just going to draw another box there. I know you're probably bored of my boxes by now, but I think around $35 ish, troops. I think, you know, we could get a drop to that kind of level. Again, it's not completely accurate, I do apologize, but let's just move that up there like that. This is the next zone that we are, you know, that I'm watching for. Okay, maybe we get a bounce, maybe we're going to bottom out. You can see we did drop below that 61.8% retracement there, 38.33 2 days ago. I did put a quick message in the Discord that I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 38.30. We did. We bounced back above that, and we've finished above that. So some buying strength. Don't get me wrong. Hopefully that's apes buying up additional shares. The more we buy, the more we get closer to 100% ownership. So that is on the positive side. If we do get down here again, not really surprising. And it's just a matter of waiting it out, troops. Psychologically, you know, where were we a month ago? 12th of August. You know, we were down here. We were down here at $30. So we're still winning, troops. We're still winning. Where were we 6 months ago? We were nowhere near $20. So, you know, perspective, bigger picture perspective, okay? That's all you can do. I mean, look where we were in May. Just May, you know, what were there? $9. So still winning, and it's not isolated to AMC and GME. So they're the positives that I'm taking. Over to GME quickly. Again, I've drawn this ascending wedge here, and we are still within that, well within that support, previous support at 190. I'm going to draw that on so we can keep an eye on that as well. It's around about there, 190. There you go, pop it there, look. So you can see we are getting some support there. We have been in that 200 to 223 band. We're kind of bouncing around now, that 180 to 190 area. So again, when you look at the broader market perspective, for me, nothing really too concerned about. Can't even speak this morning. I mean, look where we were again. You know, just last month we were down at 150. So we're still winning. We're still winning, troops. Okay. And that's my message. I'm just saying what I see, giving it the reality that I think the situation deserves. Looking at everything, it's not just AMC and GME that this is happening to. It's market wide. Things going on in China, which is obviously got a lot of people twitchy. Inflation is going up, which is getting people twitchy. So that's it, troops. That's the reality from my perspective. I don't go much deeper than that. Keep it nice and simple. Try and maintain a balanced approach, and just share my opinion. So that's it for today, troops. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, if you have, please give me a thumbs up. Do take care of yourself and each other wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.